Good evening, welcome to
MathForKids number 134.
MathForKids number 134. Alright, today we're going to do a little bit more base 4, and I made a base 4 cheat sheet up there. I wasn't as happy with how our video went yesterday, so I thought we'd do it again. So in base 10, when you write a number like 261, what does that mean?
It means 2 times 100 plus 6 times 10 plus 1 times 1.
Okay, so we use powers of 10 for the digits. So this is the hundreds digit, the tens digit, and the ones digit. In base 4, instead we use powers of 4. And the special thing in base 4 is you only use the digits 0, 1, 2, and 3 to denote your numbers. So when I write a number like this, 230, this is base 10, this is in base 4. This means 2 times, this is the 16s digit, right? Or 4 squared. 2 times 4 squared plus 3 times 4 plus 0 times 1. Okay? So we have the 1's digit, the 4's digit, and the 16's digit, because 16 is 4 squared. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So what is this number? What would we normally call this number that we call 230 in base 4?
We would usually call it 44. 2 times 16, 32.
32
Plus 12.
12 plus 0, which is 44. Okay, good job. Now I'm going to show you that other than the strangeness of only using the digits 0, 1, 2, and 3, pretty much everything else is the same. Okay? If we have a number, now this might not be the way that everyone adds, but if we have the number 567, this is in base 10, plus, I don't know, 694, we could just add this, right, and say that this was 1,100, 500 plus 600. 60 plus 90 is
150.
150. 7 plus 4 is
11.
11. And then we could sort of add it down here, and we can get 1,261. All right, now let's try to do the same thing in base 4, and then I'll give you a chance to do some base 4 stuff. So give me a 3-digit number in base 4.
Like 235.
How about not?
How about 351?
Base 4, sweetie.
Oh. 321.
321, okay. 321, remember, this is 321 in base 4. That means the lower 4 means base 4, plus, what number should we do next?
212. 212.
212, base 4. Okay, so great. So now we get 3 plus 2 in this column. And that's 5. But what is 5 in base 4?
5 is 1, 1.
5 is 1, 1. So this is going to be 1, 1, 0, 0. Right? Because this is really 3, 0, 0 plus 2, 0, 0. What's 2 plus 1?
It's 3.
3. And this is the 4's column, so we're going to write it 3, 0. And what's 1 plus 2?
3.
3. Okay? So this should be 1133 base 4. So 321 base 4 plus 212 base 4 is 1133 base 4. Okay? Should we check and see if that's true before I let you do one?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check. This is 3 times 16, right? That's the 4 squared, plus 2 times 4, plus 1. And this is what? What is this number equal to?
It's 2 times 16 plus 1 times 4 plus 2 times 1.
Okay. So, all in all, this top number here, what's 3 times 16?
Is 48.
48 plus 8 is?
Is 56.
56.
57.
So this is 57. This is the same as 57 plus 2 times 16
32
plus 4
is 36
plus 2 is?
38.
Okay, and 57 plus 38 is?
Is 95. 80 plus 15
Is 95. Okay. Alright, so we're hoping that 1133 is 95 in base 4. Okay? This is 1 times what? What is this 1 times?
That's the 64s.
Alright, so this is 64. What's this one? Because this is 4 cubed.
That's the 16s.
This is 64 plus 16 plus 3 times 4, which is?
12.
Plus 3. Okay? So 64 plus 16 is?
Is 80.
80 plus 12 is?
95. No. 80 plus 12 plus 3 is 95. It's 92.
And then plus 3 is? 95. Okay, so awesome. Okay, so that's great. So let me make one up for you and see if you can do the addition. Or would you like me to do one more example?
You can make up one for me.
Okay. How about 231 plus 223? Ooh. All in base 4. Okay? Alright, you have a marker?
Yep. Well,
Alright.
it's just that 4 is 1 0.
Okay, 4 is 1 0.
So we gotta write this as 1 0 0 0.
Very good.
And then that's here.
3 plus 2 is 5, which we're going to write as?
1 1 0.
Okay, 1 1 0. And 1 plus 3 is?
Is 4, but that's 1 0.
Okay, so we're going to write that.
No, this 0 gets erased. Just
You gotta be careful with the column. So this is 1 0 0 0, right? That's that.
Yep.
3 plus 2 is 1 1 0, just what you wrote before. Now where does the 1 plus 3, which is 4, which is 1 0, where does that 1 0 go? 0. Very good. You gotta.
It almost looks like binary.
Oh, it almost does look like binary. Okay. Now what do you get when you add this up?
You get 1 1 2 0.
1 1 2 0. Base 4. Now should we check?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to check this one a little bit faster. 2 times 16 is
32.
plus 3 times 4, which is 12. So it's 32 plus 12.
Is 44.
Plus 1
Is 45.
Okay, so that number is 45. 2 times 16
Is 32.
Plus 8 is
40.
Plus 3 is
43.
Okay. And what's 45 plus 43?
It's going to be 88.
Okay, so this is 88. Now we got to figure out what 1 1 2 0 is. Now remember, this is 64. This is the 64's digit. Plus 16 plus 2 times 4, which is 8. Okay. 64 plus 16 is?
Is 70. No, it's 80.
Yeah, sometimes 64 plus 16 is called
80.
80, most of the time. 80 plus 8 is?
88.
88. There you go. So if you ever encounter base 4, you should be able to deal with it really well. So between yesterday's video, Math for Kids 133, and this video, Math for Kids 134, those were 2 really good videos about base 4. High five. Good job, sweetie. Good job.